You're about to watch the Pauly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Alrighty now, folks. Pauly here, and today we're going to do a Ragu frozen pizza. It's a combination with sausage, pepperoni, and here's a little history if you want to read that. And cooked at 425 degrees, and I did it for 15 minutes on the center rack of the new oven in the new house. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Let's get this thing out of the oven. Let me get my peel. Ooh. Oh yeah. I don't know. Pepperoni always makes it look so nice. Turn off this new oven. Let's look at the underside. Yeah, it looks very manufactured, very typical. Let's find out what it's all about. So let's grab a little piece. The crust is breaking up a little bit in my hand. I don't have a problem with that. Topping looks nice. The back looks fabricated, I guess. Pepperoni looks nice. Put a nose to it. Doesn't smell as good as a real pizza, but it does kind of smell like pizza. Let's give it a try. It's kind of a run-of-the-mill type frozen pizza as far as flavor goes. Texture, it's okay. Not really a crunch or anything like that. It's kind of soft. I like that. Pepperoni has good flavor. Just kind of run-of-the-mill. Of course, this thing was made in Milwaukee, so a lot of frozen pizzas are made out of Milwaukee, and when they come from there, they're pretty much the same frozen pizza. I think it's pretty cool to try something with the Ragu name in it, for whatever reason. Am I really getting that Ragu taste? I don't know. Not really. But it's kind of fun. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed trying it, I should say. So, on the 0 to 5 Pauly Detmers pepperoni scale rating, I'll give this a 1 pepperoni. As a man, I gotta tell the truth. So therefore, it is the truth. Till next time, I'm Paul.
I think for someone who's been eating far too many frozen pizzas, has lost grip on reality.